Sticks and leaves? Is this a joke? There is no fun in blasting such frail targets.
Are you certain, young master? Try. You may like what you see.
Dancing lights! Pleasing!
Let Thunder try his hand. Wondrous noise.
See, brother? There is no harm in our fun.
And there is so much fun to be had.
More targets, old one!
Yes, please, give us more.
That won't be necessary. You've done quite enough.
Rise. Burn fire. Burn it all.
Didn't anyone ever tell you? Play with fire, you're going to get burned.
Good. Very good.
Brother, what have we done?
A new episode is here. Andrew crushes and bears and perfect sandwiches and stunts. Stunts!
We can wander through the forest
And these other places.
and express we
Yeah, we can. A new episode of Adventure Time! Mondays at 7:30, 6:30 Central on Cartoon Network.
The Mystery Inc. gang may look like a group of crazy kids and a dog who don't have a clue.
Hey, my glasses!
Or do they?
This earring resembles the one the gypsy fortune teller was wearing.
Torn up negatives. Somebody doesn't want somebody to see a picture of somebody.
Get a clue with Scooby-Doo.
Yo! I've been voodooed!
Now you can see more of Scooby-Doo on Boomerang from Cartoon Network. It's all coming back to you.
My name's Dante. My friends Wyatt, Lyle, and I broke the internet by accidentally setting free one of the most powerful villains from our online video game. Dark. But we did what any responsible elite gamer clan would do. We kicked his butt and put him back in his game. Now the internet's still leaking trolls and barbarians and all these other crazy things, and it's up to us.
That's exactly the kind of in-game, non-reality-based punishment I can really get behind.
Oh, and our friends Angie. And I stress, not much of a gamer.
Huzzah! You leveled up!
And Max Ross, a multi-billionaire game designer, to set things right.
Real or from the internet? It's hard to say.
Life's never dull in Daventry Hills. There's always a reason for us to level up. Get ready to level up. New episodes Tuesdays at 8, 7 Central on Cartoon Network.
Slow-mo darts should do the trick. Oh no, what's
Under the sea, you'll find that snorks behave quite the same as humans. Oh, there's Tudor. He's the silly one. All-Star is the athletic one. And there's Divvy. He's the comedian.
What do you get when you cross a banker with a fish? A loan shark!
Perhaps you might try the harmonica. The Snorks on Boomerang from Cartoon Network. It's all coming back to you.
What you call cartoon stars will become legendary icons. You might call them the kings and queens of cartoons.
In an effort to save time, we call them Boomer royalty.
Oh, I wish I could be a queen.
Well, good news, honey. We're crowning you the queen of cartoons.
I crown thee Queen Smurfette the First.
It's Smurfette in Boomer royalty. Weekends from 2 to 4 all month long on Boomerang from Cartoon Network.
Titans, go!
Flames can't spread if there's nothing to burn. Azrath, Metrion, Synthos!
Good idea, Raven. Beast Boy, Starfire, help her out!
Is he out? Had to ask.
Go, young masters. Fire is your creation. They have no right to destroy your fun.
Yes! We must fight!
But, brother,
Do not annoy me with your foolish concerns. Come!
Robin, we meet at last.
Who are you?
Azrath, Metrion, Synthos!
stand aside, Green One. I do not wish to harm
But you want to destroy homes and innocent lives?
you. No,
Then what are you fighting for?
my brother and I. The Old One says we are unique, gifted, better.
Gifts don't make you better, just different. It's how you use them that counts.
It seems your power has its limit, but mine has none. You betray me?
We have done wrong, my brother. Our fun must stop.
No one commands lightning, not even thunder.
Those houses go, the whole city could go. We gotta stop the fire.
How?
Any way we can.
Tell me, brother, are we still having fun?
No.
Observe. They also have gifts, but they use them for good, while we waste ours on dangerous fun. If we are so special, brother, let us act special. We must help.
But how? Our gifts can only destroy.
True, but together we have another gift. Is that the best you can do?
Slade.
That's what I mean. Very nice.
I am sorry for the trouble we have made.
I am also sorry.
You have taught us much, Green One. Thank you.
Don't thank me. Thank the person who taught me.
And thank you for helping to defeat the flame monster.
So, Slade wants to destroy the city. Question is why?
I don't know, but I will find out, and he won't get away with it.
So, am I, still a floor bag?
No. I believe you are more of a Milnip Wusserloop.
Sweet! Go Beast Boy! I'm a Milnip. Who's your Wusserloop? Huh? That is a good thing. Right, Star? Star?
Agitators return alligator to the wild.
Well, here's your new home, Wally.
Whoa! Beautiful, isn't it?
I'm thinking cable's out of the question.
Look, family.
Welcome, Carl.
Hungry after your trip? Thanks. I only eat things that have evolved.
You'll be so much happier here, Wally, now that you're out of that zoo, where you were just sitting there bored, waiting for your next meal to be tossed at you, nothing to do, none of the muck and bugs of a real swamp.
Well, we've got to get back to boring old civilization now.
Okay, goodbye,